Looking for luxury in Branford? I am down at Goodsell Point, Marina Village. Got 15 single-family homes. There's one left out of all of them. They're almost sold out. Want to give you a quick bird's eye view. Go take a look. These homes come with your own dock at the marina. As you can see, all the boats are ashore for the winter. My name's Dan Lucier with William Ravis. Give me a call if you want to come take a look at this last one or any other of the surrounding homes in Branford on the shoreline. Take care.